everybody, welcome back to Edible Fitness. The fitness, that's right, you can eat. So today's question, what are we making today? Well, I have a smooth and silky and spicy sauce that I think you're truly going to love. Let's get started. Alright, so once you've steamed the sweet potatoes, what you do is you just add them to a blender. Yes, a blender again. That's how we're going to get this smooth texture. So put them in the blender and then we're going to add the wonderful coconut milk. Just add that all in there. And blend. Okay, so now that that is all mixed up, the onions are in there, everything is smooth, I'm just gonna add it to a pan. Now I'm gonna use a spatula to get all of this amazing goodness out. Oh, it smells so good. Now, before I add the milk, I'm gonna add the spices. As well as the salt. And as you go along, you can taste it and see, do I need more salt or not? And that's entirely up to you. So now we're gonna add the milk. So I'm just gonna get my trusty whisk. And as I'm stirring, I'm just gonna add the milk slowly. Now I don't always use the cup and a half, as you can see here. I don't always use it, but again, it's entirely up to you. If you want a thinner sauce or a little bit thicker, it will thicken up as you leave it to simmer. So I might just add some more. And that's really it. The rest of it is just a waiting game. And that's it, guys. You have got to give this a try. I know I always say this, but trust me. And it's actually better the next day. And what I usually do is I use it either two ways. I use it either with shredded chicken. I'll boil chicken and then I'll add it to the sauce and then pour that onto rice. Or I'll do it with tofu. Either way, it's amazing. Gotta give this a try. Please, if you liked this video, give it a like. Leave a comment below, subscribe as well. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I post new videos. Until next time, I'm gonna go finish this. You need to go make yours, and I'll see you next time on Edible Fitness. Bye.